everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's been so long since my last video, but I'm finally back and today I have another homemade squishy update for you guys. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have an Instagram, so I post there more frequently than I do on YouTube. So if you ever want to see more content, just hop on over there and it's just at KawaiiPillows. But anyways, let's get right into the squishies. So first up, I made one of these bunnies, and I do have a tutorial on these if you guys are interested. I'll link that down below. And these are super big and chubby, and I love making these. Then I made this little egg squishy, and I think this turned out so cute, and I love its little face. Then I made another egg squishy, except this one is cracked, so it's kind of sad, but I think it's still really cute. And this one is really slow rising. So next up, I made this little mochi squishy, and this one is inspired by the real squishy, and Mishcraft also made a tutorial on this, so I'll link that down below. And this one is also super slow rising. Then I made this tiny little pastry thing. I'm not really sure what it is, but I still think it's really cute. And there's just chocolate drizzle on top and powdered sugar. Then I made this little rice ball squishy, and this one is super fun to squish. Next, I made this little Kawaiii sugar cookie, and I also went ahead and made some packaging for it. So here's what it looks like. Here it is outside of packaging, and I've actually made some sugar cookies similar to this before, and they're just really fun to make, and they always turn out super cute. Then I also made this really Kuma sugar cookie, and the packaging on this one is a little different. So here it is outside of packaging. Then I made this little banana squishy, and I actually really like this one. It's super simple, but it was really fun to paint. Then I also made this chocolate macaron, and this is way back from Valentine's Day, and here's what the packaging looks like. And this one is super slow rising. So here's the squishy outside of the packaging. And here's the back, and there's a giant air bubble. And then last but not least, I made a couple of smooshy mushy squishies just because they're so cute. So first of all, I made this little pizza. And then I actually went ahead and made the Smushy Mushy and Bestie duo. So this one is the hamster and the mango. So here is the little mango. And then here is the little hamster. So that's everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. And let me know down below in the comments which squishy you like the best. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!